Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add image in Miro Board creatively. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Miro.com. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which is your central space to access all your boards. Click on the board where you want to add an image. Next, locate the Upload button, typically found on the toolbar. Click on it and you'll see several upload options. Start by choosing My Device to upload an image stored on your computer. This will open your File Explorer. Browse through your folders, select the image you want to use, and click Open to proceed. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, the upload may take a few moments. Alternatively, if you have an image URL, click Upload button again, and this time choose Upload via URL and paste the link into the dialog box that appears. Hit OK, and Miro will automatically import the image from the web. This method is great if you're using visuals from online sources. You can also drag and drop images directly from your desktop or File Explorer onto the board. This is often the fastest and easiest way to add multiple images quickly. Once your image appears on the board, you can freely adjust its position and size to fit your layout. And that's it. So that is how you can add image in Miro Board creatively. So that's all for this video. Thanks.